Senator John McCain's death is drawing new attention toward ways to treat brain cancer. Extensive research is going into treatment options for people with brain tumors, and some of that is happening here in Texas. KXAN Steffi Lee explores how doctors are working to get a deeper understanding about glioblastoma cases.
One of the greatest accomplishments in human history took place some years ago with the mapping of the human genome.
When Senator John McCain spoke at Livestrong's Presidential Candidate Summit in 2008, CEO Greg Lee learned a key healthcare lesson.
A multifaceted approach where you're attacking things from a lot of different areas is probably more successful.
That's part of Livestrong's philosophy when helping patients.
So it's around clinical trials and having access to those. It's around emotional support. It's navigating insurance.
This is the frontal lobe.
Texas Oncology, for example, has at least a dozen clinical trials available for glioblastoma patients.
We are trying new ways of bringing therapy to patients that includes activating the immune system, targeting specific mutations within the tumor that are unique to that individual's tumor.
Patients do need choices on a case-by-case basis.
It's not possible that everybody is going to be a candidate for each and every study.
However, the cancer community is hopeful for the future through this research.
Sometimes the public thinks of a clinical trial as a last resort when other treatments haven't worked, and that's really not true. People need to have access to clinical trials from the minute they're diagnosed and understand what options are available.
Steffi Lee, KXAN News.
Dr. Brenner with Texas Oncology says this year around 1,800 Texans will be diagnosed with a primary brain tumor. Only 10% of those patients are participating in clinical trials due to limitations on where these trials are available in Texas. Patients do not pay to participate in clinical trials, and if they receive any standard care while participating in a trial, it still must be covered by insurance or